Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I got an unboxing today of something I bought. In fact, I've been looking for this for quite a while. It's a pair of boots that actually fit. Now, one of the problems I've been having is that most boots, they come in narrow, medium, and wide, which would be like your B, C, and D widths, one of the old school measuring things. And the other problem is a lot of them are made overseas where the sizes are even smaller. So the wide is not really a wide. Okay, so I take usually, when I've worn Red Wing boots for years and years and years and years and years, I take a double or triple E in Red Wing. I have not found anybody that carries double or triple E in anything until I found this company here. So let me open this up here and we're going to check it out. All right. So this is the box here from Carolina Shoe Company. Don't want to tear up the box inside. It's got a crunched box here on this side here. Now, all right, what do we got here? Okay, we got some information here for return exchange form. Good, they send everything here for it. And the packing ticket. I guess the color is called Wedge Tobacco. I guess this is the return, a pre-filled out pickup thing here for it, just in case. All right, so here we go. And already I can tell you it looks a little wider than a lot of the ones I've been getting. And it's got reinforced stitching across the front here. And this is the Goodyear welt on it, so this looks really good here. So, yes. All right, so now I'm going to try it on. So let's get this moved around here, and I'll try it on. All right. First, take off my old. Is that in the shot? Okay. I got this a little bit here. First, I'll take off the old Red Wings here. Yeah, these things are, think now, almost 8 years old. I could be wrong. I have to redo the look up when I bought them, but it was just before Red Wing stopped doing posting for all the different widths online. Okay, first of all, I do not like the way these are done. Yeah. Unfortunately, this particular model did not come with, the largest it came in was double E. I wish if it came in triple E, I would have ordered triple E. to do the other one here. All right. A lot better than in the regular wides they've been trying to, other companies have been trying to palm off on me. It'd be perfect, I think it would be perfect if it was a triple E, but the softness of the uppers here will stretch out and in a while fit my feet pretty good. But yeah, they're not being crunched in there like the other ones were. So the Carolina shoe company's boots feel a lot better than anything else I've gotten lately. Or, I've sent boots back. Danner didn't work out. I mean, theirs was, only came in wide width and it was way too narrow. So I think these are going to work out. And if these do this spring, I'm going to get another pair from them that actually has the waffle stomp, pattern on it. Unless I can have one, I'll find one of the other ones. I think it was the Sarge I was looking at, but it's about $70 more. But it's built even a little bit tougher than these are. But right now, these feel pretty good. All right. So before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to the weight loss challenge. I'm going to put a playlist down here. I'm going to put another video you'll be interested in here, and I'll put the link to my other channel, Gray Man Prepping, up here. All right. See you around.